Everyone, this is Kimo Vlog. It's a Filipino reactor based in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Dawn Bell compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Dawn Bell has to offer for today. Ano to?
The one thing you are unexpectedly slow at doing.
Waking up in the morning.
Waking up in the...
Pag nagising ako, kailangan mag-warm up talaga. So,
Ah,
gisingin ako,
ito ata yung suplado siya. Oh, ito ata yung suplado siya.
Parang to put
Yes.
myself in the right headspace.
Okay.
From the mouth of babes.
Super hard to wake him up. When he went to school and I was also there, he'd be the last one to be in the car.
But yeah, in the
Ah.
morning sometimes he takes time to warm up. So masungit ba? He can
Masungit.
be masungit.
It depends how you wake him up.
It depends how you waking up.
Because they always ask me to wake him up because the way I wake him up, I hug him and then I kiss him.
Oh, swerte naman. That's a nice way
Kitty.
to wake up. And he wakes up with a hug and kiss. But if you say, Donnie, get up, wala, he won't even want to talk to you the whole day. If you do that.
Wow. So sensitive siya.
He's sensitive when it
Tampuhin.
comes to his
sensitive.
his warming up.
Anything you're gonna miss with each other, lalo every day you were together. Is there anything that Donnie does for you, which is Belle, and then Belle does for you, Donnie, na mamimiss mo?
Depende, kasi sometimes, syempre, pagod na sa taping, ganyan. So,
Mm-mm.
usually, let's say, if we have time talaga, we sleep as much as we can. Most especially him, I think one of his talents is just sleeping wherever.
Grabe, no? Kalabaw yun? Eh, may lang...
How harder he is. I'll miss waking him up, siguro.
Ay, that's so sweet. Sweet talaga yun. So, parang baby niya pala talaga si Donnie. Ah. Okay. Alam mo, ulit-ulit talaga to yung video na to eh. Ay, ano to? Ano to? Nagpapakiramdaman pa lang sila dito. Charis! Malapit sa iyong yakap. Ay, ganda ni Belle. Ay, bagay kay Belle maging direktor ah. Uy, malay natin kasi naging producer na siya. Di ba? Who knows? Ay, vibing the Tito Bea dance. Vibing the Tito. Vibing the Tito dance? Totoo ba? Ay, yo. Ay, they're literally in love. That is love talaga, ma'am. Love talaga yan siya. Oo. Sabi mo naman, di ba? Sabi nyo hindi love yan. Ay. Gwapo. Kailan ito lumabas sa IG story niya? Okay.
Iwalay na eh, paano mag-away?
Sorry, hindi natin pwedeng ilabas yon kasi hindi natin pwedeng i-spoil. Eh, hindi ko pa nga nakapanood ang movie. Ay, saan to? Ah, ito yon yung nag-a-assist siya. Okay. Ay, bago to.
Ba't ka tulala dyan?
Okay, so in this film, you guys have been in a relationship for a long time. Ilang years na kayo dito? 7, tama? Or 6 or 7 years? He had to do it.
Hindi ka Gen Z, di ba? Gen Z ka po.
May Jency ko, hindi nag-suspended.
Umabot naman ako.
Oh, wait lang,
Umabot naman ako.
Huwag ka magalit. Huwag ka magalit.
Tas
Bakit
ikaw
ayaw
pa.
mo maging
Ikaw pa
millennial?
magkasabi
Excuse me.
sa akin.
Oo nga, bakit ayaw niyo maging millennials? Millennials kami. Ayun, Donnie niya. Ay, di, rare video ba to? Tanggal angas ng isang Donnie kay Belle. Actually, kaya nga natutunan ko ding mahalin si Donnie kasi ano talaga siya, down bad.
Sa tingin mo, kung meron man, anong past? Love?
Sino ang pinaka-crush mo? Oh my God! Ay, kaya ba? Ay, kalaman, hindi kakasal ma.
Anyway, ay, ano to? Ay, ano to? Bakit ganyan? Ay! When was this? Shit, ang sarap ng spaghetti. Putanesca? Is that putanesca? Bakit ganon? Wait. Tingnan natin yung hashtag Donbell. Hashtag Donbell. Ay, alam mo, gusto ko siyang panoorin. Gusto ko siyang panoorin kasi hindi. Ayoko. Ay, arte. Ang arte. Ay, this one.
May imaginary tube eh.
So, hindi ganun.
Imaginary too.
Hindi ganun ah. Hindi baby shark. Baby shark.
Shake it, baby, shark it, baby. Ay.
Meron po. What keeps you up at night?
Parang bedroom voice talaga si Donnie dito. Yung gawa ng mali siya yan, ah. This is Kijimo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!